This is what you do. You want to do a design. Excuse me, ma, what do you need the design for? You say, I need design for my business. I want to brand my business. So, wow. Ma, how large is your business? Then the person go, what do you mean? Knock them off their seats. They are too comfortable. That's why they want to tell you all this kind of rubbish money. Not the play tennis. Give her a backhand. Say, how big is your business? Say, oh, what do you mean? You say, I mean, like, is your business a global business? Then she goes, yeah, it's global. They say, what I mean global, like, do you have some branches or you are planning to go global, like the whole world? Are you targeting Nigeria or Africa? I say, no, it's the whole world, though. Somebody that has used her own mouth to tell you it's the whole world. By the time you get towards the end of the conversation, when you tell her, Amma, this logo, you need to stand out to meet the whole world. You see, have you seen Fendi? Have you seen Gucci? See all those brands. I need to give you a logo like that can compete at that level. You understand? It's going to take me like 3 weeks to do it, even though it will take you 2 hours. When I tell her, okay, man, it's going to cost you like 150K. She's not going to tell you, it's too much. But what she's not thinking, like, I don't go hype myself. So how you understand? So now, she's not the one. You are clapping. I said, please clap. She will not be the one now that is thinking, how do I adjust to maybe 60, 70? Meanwhile, on a norm, 5,000 will do the job. But you can't chop now. You can't pay bills now. You can't transfer. I mean, try come here. So, but when you don't know those things, and guess what? When I do it, I'm not the one that will do the design. I'm not even thinking about who will do design. After I collect job, I'll not decide who will do design. I have to do certain things for certain things to happen. Are you getting my point?